Acting Director of Indonesian Citizens Protection at the Foreign Affairs Ministry, Henny Hamidah, said the Indonesian representative in the UAE reported drone debris that crashed in Dubai on Monday, March 16. Henny confirmed that the Indonesian representative in the UAE has been monitoring the situation and coordinate with local authorities and airlines to ensure the safety and smooth travel of Indonesian citizens. The debris was found in several locations, including areas near Dubai International Airport. The incident sparked a fire and suspended airport operations temporarily. One of the flights was Emirates EK359 from Jakarta with 309 passengers on board in estimation, which was diverted to Zayed International Airport, Abu Dhabi. The other flight was Emirates EK399 from Denpasar, carrying 300 passengers in estimation, which landed at Al Maktoum International Airport, Dubai. Drone debris incidents were also reported in Fujairah and Al Quwain. News report from UAM News Agency said on Tuesday that the GCAA has reopened UAE airspace after the situation has improved.